جنتا لفرا لكامل أممنيك يا بيتو روميا الركب يميت في مكانين سولو لا في دري هروفي لكنين إجانو بوبستا أدكي بريني كيس بدالي مترا أدبوني سينا هيدو كبدا دبردوس يوم دوما
incredible leadership, vision, and again with an incredible leadership, and it happens all this because of her dedication. And please give a hand for our incredible mother. It's a pleasure to have you. Thank you very much. Next, I want to thank the C.U.R.E project and you all, the guys, and amazing guys who came from USA, is led by an incredible mother, Mr. Warwa. That's for you. It is really, really a pleasure to have you here. To work with you and your dedication, your commitment, and your knowledge and expertise will help our community and as well our society, our staff. Thank you very much. One thing, there is one thing I wanted to say before moving to other. You guys, we have learned one thing, very amazing thing. It is your medical ethics. Your medical ethics and is very amazing. It's really a pleasure to work those of guys who have an incredible medical ethics, and I think me as a leadership and our staff will learn a lot from this ethics. Thank you very much. The other is I want to thank the Mako Foundation with C.U.R.E project. They have been doing an incredible job throughout, especially for the last 1 year. They are donating so many equipments, medical supplies here for Shashamanneetti Comprehensive Specialized Hospital, Mako Hospital, Nagele, Batu, Kofale, and other health centers, especially around these Rift Valley areas. They are doing an incredible job, doing great jobs, and it's also eases our so many difficulties here in our work area. So again, I want to thank the Mako Foundation in behalf of Mr. Yusuf. Please give them a hand. The other is also I want to thank our staff and the society who was behind you all those 4 days, who received you with such great dedication and commitment. I want to thank our staffs, our co-workers, and again I want to thank our Shashamanneetti Town Health Office leader, Mr. Sultan Hussein, who have been with us all of throughout our time. And please give them for our staff and our Finally, it has been a great time with you. I hope the next time we will see again. In the meantime, 1 year or 2 years, I hope I will be will do great things again together. It's very I'm proud of you guys. I'm so happy, and on behalf of the Shashamanneetti staff and the community, I want to thank you again and again. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Thank you very much.
Kameramani warra yaadan nu gargaaru warra bilbilu warra ammoo akkasumas asit volunteerii nu gargaaru warra nersota warra doktoroota warra staafii galatooma ulfaadhaa isiniin jechuu fedha. Maqaa dhahee hin fixuu fi like isinillee warra isin argaaru martinu maqaa dhaheen fixuu fi galatooma jechuu fedha. Sagantaa kiyya ariifachiisuu fedheeti ulfaadhaa. Rabbi si waliin haa jiraatu. Okay, achi amma sagantaa keenya dafaa ofuu barbaanneeti. Thank you so much. Really, I just take. My mom told me to just say some few words for you guys. I just wanna translate to you guys. I'm saying a heartfelt thank you to our incredible mission team from Project C.U.R.E, traveling all the way to the Shashamanneetti, Ethiopia, to serve those in need. Your compassion, dedication, sacrifice brought hope and healing so for so many patients. Your kindness has made lasting impact to our community. We are truly grateful for our service. May God bless each of you with the good health, safe travel, abundant reward for every life in have touched. Thank you for making a difference. That's the message from my.
Oh, I didn't make any prepared remarks, and you're gonna make me cry, so we'll keep it short.
That's easy.
We want to thank you, all of you, for welcoming us, for your hospitality, for putting up with our eccentricities. Are you translating or no?
Yeah, I will. Just go ahead.
Okay. For understanding that we had a lot to learn, and we take away so much information and so much love from all of you. And I really want to thank my team. Raise your hands. These are incredible people, and you know that already, but I have to thank them as well for taking a risk. We've not been here before. I like to be the boss, you know that. But, you know, it's a big deal to come to a new place. And as soon as we landed here, we knew we were in great hands with everyone and loving hands. And so we thank you all for that.
Thank you so much. Galatoma ulfadha ummata na waliin jirullee taking care naa gootanii nullee waa baay'ee isinirraa barannee waa baay'ee gammannee waa baay'ee jiraannee jedhaatti harka dhaafi. He just wanna like representing the volunteers who joined us in the hospital, representing his dad and his team. You wanna say something?
Being with you guys, I did learn a lot. You know what it is to be in the health program. And one thing that I learned is that the Ethiopian doctors have a dream, you guys have a dream. And a dream dreamed by many is a destiny. It doesn't just stay a dream. So I wanted to... And you know, I never saw myself being a doctor. You know, our parents all the time say, doctor, you know, engineer, this, all these works. But seeing it, it opened my heart to many things. Our dad, our mom, they love to give, they love to help. So this contributed to that and opened our hearts to something. And I just wanted to thank all the doctors. I know that it was a hard time talking and working with them. And that there was a little, you know, competition between you guys, but we did it, you know. And I wanted to thank the nurse, the volunteers and everybody. We did it, we helped people, and we left a big impact here. So thank you so much to everybody.
The dignified, to very level person. So think like that, and while you bring it back to your home, just keep it very safely, and it should be a very memory.
This is, you can keep it and hang it in your bedroom or living room, wherever. Thank you.
Kan dheebotee gooftaa ija tokko laaltee hundaa simataa kan daaree uffistee dhabaa diroomsitaa ija tokko laaltee jiraachiftaa.